Welcome. In today's quick guide, we're going to walk through how to mute a group inside a WhatsApp community. If you're part of a busy community with lots of conversations happening at once, things can get pretty noisy. But don't worry, learning how to mute a group will help you keep things peaceful while still staying connected. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're in, head down to the bottom of your screen and tap on the Communities tab. This is where all your communities are listed, along with the groups connected to each one. Next, select the community that includes the group you want to mute. Inside that community, you'll see a list of all the related groups like announcements, discussions, or topic-based chats. Now, tap on the specific group that's sending too many notifications or messages. This will open up the group chat window, just like any other WhatsApp chat. From here, look toward the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots. This will open the chat options menu. In the menu, select Mute Notifications. A new pop-up will appear with time options. You can choose how long you want to mute the group, for example, for 8 hours, 1 week, or even always if you don't want to hear from it again for a while. Once you've selected your preferred duration, simply press OK. That's it. You've successfully muted the group. From now on, you won't receive sound or vibration alerts from that chat, but all the messages will still appear silently in your chat list. You can check them anytime without interruptions. If you ever change your mind, you can unmute the group just as easily by following these same steps and turning notifications back on. And that's how you mute a group in a WhatsApp community, quick, simple, and fully updated. Thanks for watching.